Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, exercise 3.2. In that fifth question, the question is given the numbers 17 and 71 are prime numbers. Yes, the numbers 17 and 71, these two numbers are prime numbers because of these two numbers having only two factors. Okay na? For example, 17, 1 17s are 17 and 17 ones are 17, only two factors. Like that also 71 also, 171s are and itself 71 ones are. Okay na? So these two are a prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits, yes or no? 17 lo what are the digits? 1 and 7, and like that only in the number 71 also what are the digits? 7 1. So these two numbers having the same digits, okay, that are 1 and 7. Find two more such pairs of prime numbers below 100. Okay na? ఇంకా ఇలా సేమ్ డిజిట్స్ ఉన్న ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ని టూ మోర్ సచ్ పేర్స్ రాయమంటున్నారు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. నౌ సీ ఇట్స్ సొల్యూషన్. గివెన్ 17 and 71, these two are prime numbers. What are the same digits? The same digits are 1 7. Yes, and like that only 1 to 100. Okay na? 1 to 100 in between there are 25 prime numbers are there. Out of in that you by seeing 13 is a prime number. Yes, 1 13s are and itself 13 ones are. దానిలో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ని రివర్స్ చేయండి, we get that is 31. 13 reverse అయితే 31. So now 31 also prime number. So these two are having the same digits. What are they? 1 3. Like that only 79 is a prime number. Okay, and just changing the order of the digits we get that is 97. So these two are prime numbers. 79 means 179s are and 79 ones are. It has only two factors. And 97 also, 197s are and 97 ones are. It is also prime number. Now these two are prime numbers having the same digits. What? That is 7 and 9. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay. So now let us discuss one more question. The next question is, write 3 pair of twin primes below 20. Question number 6. Write 3 pairs of twin primes. Twin primes below 20. Okay, so this is the question, Nana. Write 3 pairs of twin primes below 20. We know twin primes means what? What is the meaning of twin primes? Twin primes means what? We know about prime numbers. Already we discussed the twin primes also. What is the meaning of twin primes? The difference between two prime numbers is 2. అంటే సింప్లీ the prime numbers differ by 2. The prime numbers differ by 2. Simply I am writing 3 5. Clearly 3 is a prime number, 5 also prime number. What is their difference? 5 minus 3 ante we get that is 2. Okay na? Like this. Okay. Now I am writing the prime numbers, twin prime numbers. Twin primes less than 20 are 3, 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Their difference 5 minus 3 means we get that is 2. And like that only 5, 7. 5 and 7, these two are prime numbers. Their difference 7 minus 5 and 2. And in the meanwhile 11, 13. 11 is a prime number, 13 also prime number. Their difference 13 minus 11 means 2. And like that only 17, 19. 17 is a prime number and 19 also prime number. Their difference 19 minus 17 means that is 2. So these are the twin prime numbers less than 20. So this is the required answer for this question. Now let us discuss one more question. Question number 7. The question is given, write two prime numbers whose product is 35. Write two prime numbers. Write two prime numbers whose product is 35. Okay, so this is the question, Anna. Write two prime numbers whose product is 35. It's a very simple question. We know what are the required prime numbers. I'm writing the required primes are 5 and 7. Yes or no? 5 is a prime number, 7 also prime number. By their product, you run it into 5 into 7. 5 7s are what? 35. What is our question? Write two primes whose product is 35. I taken these two prime numbers, you run it into 5 7s are 35. Okay? So this is the required answer for this question. Now go for the next question. The question is 8th one. Express 36 as the sum of two odd primes. As the sum of two odd primes. Okay, we know odd primes means what? In a prime number, the one and only one even prime. 2 is only even prime. Okay na? Remaining all primes. Okay na? 2 is one and only one even prime number. So remaining primes anni enti ikkada? Remaining primes are odd. Okay na? All prime numbers lo only 2 anedi even prime. So remaining all primes are odd primes only. So I am taking the number 36. You can express it as sum of two odd primes means 13 is a prime number. 23 also prime number. 13 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number. I am adding 13 plus 23 and again we get that is 36. And we can express 36 it as the sum of two odd primes, that is 13 and 23. Okay now 13 plus 23, that is 36. The next question, 9th one. The question is given, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Okay, write 7 consecutive composite numbers. Composite numbers means what, Nana? The numbers having more than 2 factors. That numbers are called composite numbers. Consecutive అంటే వెంటనే రావాలి, మధ్యలో ఏం గ్యాప్ రావద్దు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకి సాటర్డే హాలిడే వచ్చింది, సండే యాజ్ యూజువల్లీ హాలిడే, మండే ఆల్సో హాలిడే. Then what happen? We get a consecutive holidays. Yes or no? Like that only, 7 consecutive composite numbers means less than 100 they are possible. The required solution: the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 or that are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. So these are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 90 is more than 2 factors. 91 also more than 2 factors. 92 also more than 2 factors. 93 also it have more than 2 factors. 94 it also has more than 2 factors. 95, 96. What I written the numbers? ikkadana gap vachinda? No. 90 ventane 91, again 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Totally 7 numbers. These are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Okay, students? So this is the required answer. The next question: express 53 as the sum of 3 primes. Question number 10: express 53 as the sum of 3 primes. The sum of 3 primes. Okay, so the required answer is, what is the number? 53. We can express it as sum of 3 primes. 3 primes, you take any 3 prime numbers, but their sum should be equal to 53. Okay, I am taking here 13. 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. Okay, 13 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. 13 plus 17 means we get that is 30, and add one more prime number, that is 23. So 17 plus 13 plus 17 plus 23. Clearly these 3 are prime numbers. Yes or no? These 3 are prime numbers. Their sum it is equals to 53. Okay, na? So like this we can express 53 as sum of 3 primes. Okay, na, students? Now one more question. Question number 11. Write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. Write 2 prime numbers. Write 2 prime numbers whose difference is 10. So this is the question. You select any 2 prime numbers, but their difference should be 10. అంటే రెండింటిని మైనస్ చేస్తే వాటి మధ్యలో 10 రావాలి. I mean their difference should be 10. అంటే one of the prime number is కంపేర్ టు అదర్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ 10 మోర్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 3, 13. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ prime numbers. Their difference 13 minus 3 అంటే their difference 13 minus 3, that is 10. And like that only 7, 17. These two are prime numbers. Their difference 17 minus 7, 10. And 13, 23. These two are prime numbers. Their difference 23 minus 13, that is equals to 10. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students.